Right here.
What are you finding in the book?
That piece.
You found Waldo?
No, Waldo.
Where's Waldo? Let me see.
Right there.
Are you sure that's Waldo?
Right here.
Let me see.
Right
Did you really
there.
find him? Oh my gosh, yes you did, honey. You are so smart. Can you give me a high five? Yeah. We missed? Oh, so we gotta do it again? Yeah. Oh, we missed again. Yeah. We missed, huh? Who is that?
Waldo.
You found Waldo, honey.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Mama.
Yes.
Up top.
He's up top?
Yeah.
Oh, hi, Waldo.
Mama.
What, baby?
Horsey.
You found a horsey?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Right there.
Oh, my goodness. Is there a giraffe, too?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Where's Raffy?
Last week.
Where's Raffy? Do you see any Raffies? They're kind of by the horsies, honey. How
Right
about
here.
where?
Right there.
Good job.
Raffy.
2 Raffies?
Yeah.
Good job, honey.
Big.
Big. Can you say bye? I love you.
Bye.
How about I love you? I love you.
And 2 kangaroos.
You found 2 kangaroos?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Right there.
Those are kangaroos?
Yeah.
I think those might be deer.
Yes.
But that's okay.
No, okay.
All right.
Waldo. I found Waldo, Mama.
You found Waldo, honey?
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you. Can you say good job?
Yes.
Good job, Savannah.
No, Waldo.
No, we won't get Waldo.
No, I can't let go, Grandma. I'll make a break.
You want me to get a picture of Blake instead?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Love you.
No.
All righty.